Perfectly positioned atop of 7 fully fenced acres, this exquisite property captures views across the valley and beyond. Welcome to 220 Birds Road, Guanaba. I'm Josh Thomas. Meticulously maintained, this sensational 6-bedroom, dual-level, dual-living abode provides for bountiful lounge, home office and relaxation spaces. A sanctuary of privacy, this warm and inviting home nurtures a feeling of peace and tranquility as you absorb the views around you. The multiple living areas ensure plentiful spaces, while the high ceilings evoke a tremendous feeling of expansiveness. Upstairs, you'll find king-sized bedrooms, all with built-in robes and ducted air conditioning over 2 separate wings. The expansive master suite with extraordinary spa and walk-in robe needs to be seen to be believed. Enjoy your culinary creations, crafted in the gourmet marble kitchen, whilst taking in those stunning views. The media room with bar ensures comfortable indoor entertaining, whilst the gorgeous dining room flows directly to a massive balcony that overlooks the abounding land. Downstairs, the 25-metre lap pool overlooks the beautiful surrounds and is complemented by the sandstone tiling. The adjacent, fully self-contained area with kitchen, living space and bathroom could be used as the dual residence or sensational additional entertaining space. The property's dual access provides private entry to the separate shed, which also includes a toilet and shower. The usable, gently undulating land with twin dams is perfectly suited to horses and livestock. An extraordinary home in an extraordinary position in the beautiful Guanaba Valley awaits you and your family. Don't miss out on this very unique opportunity. I'm Josh Thomas.